guys, well it's been a while since I've been out and about doing vlogs to like pieces to actual camera, so apologies for that, but I'm out doing just a quick little video. Yeah, I'm out at a place which I've been to a few times on the channel. It's in the village of Bowling, but I'm actually off the kind of beaten track, as I say, of Bowling, and I'm actually in a little woodland part which is part of the cycle route. This is also featured previously on my channel as well, but I was actually last time trying to get pictures of bluebells. Unfortunately, the time I went out there to choose to try and get shots of bluebells, they all died off. However, this time I've not had the same problem, and I managed to actually get some opportunity now to get shots of bluebells. There's nothing but bluebells up here now, and the place is, the little woodland section where I'm in is actually just totally swarmed with them. Anyway, with that all said, I'll try and get a quick few shots of the bluebells in this little secluded woodland part of the Bowling cycle route, and yeah, and I'll see how they go and how they turn out. Oh, and if you want to know a little bit about what settings I've been using, because I've actually come here quite late at night. In fact, it's almost close to just around about sunset now. Yeah, but if you want to know the kind of settings I've been using a higher ISO because it's in a kind of more isolated, kind of secluded area where it's starting to get darker at night. So I'm using an ISO 800, and I'm also using two lenses. I'm using a Lumix 14-42 lens, which is kind of standard kind of kit lens, on a micro four thirds camera, which is the E-M1, and I'm also using an Olympus 25mm f1.8 lens, which is a great little prime lens, and it gives you a really nice shallow depth of field, so which is what f1.8 is equivalent of 3.6 on like a full frame camera, so it's a 2-time crop. Yeah, a bit of techie stuff there you go. But yeah, so the idea is obviously I need to use higher ISOs and the kind of the low light I've got here to try and compensate. When I edit the photos, they should obviously look hopefully a lot brighter than it is, because the actual light in here is dropping quite fast. Anyway guys, that's it for this short little vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I've been meaning to get out to this little area to get shots of bluebells, and thankfully tonight it's paid off. So thanks again for watching guys, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please feel free to do so. There's plenty of other videos and content on there for you to all check out and have a look at. Okay, so till the next video, this is Kenny signing off.